Hello, my name's Jane Wintringham and I run my own business, Adel Wills Limited, helping people create their wills and lasting powers of attorney. I just wanted to really recommend Rachel Moore's Facebook Challenge course, which I undertook some months ago now. And the reason why I undertook the course was that I wanted more confidence in being able to post on Facebook, but also understand the techie side. So Rachel's course was a great combination for me. She combined Facebook Lives, where I could get live training and ask any questions I needed to, and then bite-sized video training, where I could implement the things I'd been taught, but also replay those videos, so that if I'd got stuck on a particular point, then I could just replay the video and almost do it in live time, almost like Rachel was standing over my shoulder telling me what to do. So I'd highly recommend her course if you want to increase your skills in relation to Facebook or confidence. So that's Jane Wintringham.